Ossobuco alla Milanese, a complete recipe and cooking instructions. Braised veal shanks with a rich and flavorful sauce, often served with saffron risotto. This traditional Milanese dish is a true culinary masterpiece, loved by many for its intense flavor and tender texture. Today, we'll guide you step by step in preparing this delicious dish, from the ingredients to the final cooking. To begin, you'll need some key ingredients: veal shanks, onions, carrots, celery, garlic, peeled tomatoes, white wine, beef broth, butter, olive oil, flour, parsley, lemon zest, and of course salt and pepper. The quality of the ingredients is essential for an excellent result, so make sure to choose fresh, high-quality products. Let's start by preparing the veal shanks. First, dry them well with paper towels and lightly flour them. This step will help create a golden crust during browning. In a large pot, heat some olive oil and butter over medium-high heat. When the butter is completely melted and the oil is hot, add the veal shanks and brown them on all sides until golden. This step is crucial to seal in the meat's juices and give a rich flavor to the dish. Once the shanks are nicely browned, remove them from the pot and set them aside. In the same pot, add finely chopped onions, carrots and celery. Sauté the vegetables over medium heat until they are soft and slightly caramelized. This process will take about 10 minutes. Then add the minced garlic and continue cooking for another minute, being careful not to burn it. Now it's time to deglaze the pot with some white wine. Pour in the wine and scrape the bottom of the pot with a wooden spoon to release all the caramelized flavors. Let the alcohol evaporate for a few minutes, then add the peeled tomatoes and crush them lightly with a spoon. Return the veal shanks to the pot, add enough beef broth to cover the meat, and bring everything to a boil. Once boiling, lower the heat to low, cover the pot with a lid, and simmer for about 2 hours. During cooking, turn the shanks occasionally and add more broth if needed. The meat will be ready when it's so tender that it easily comes off the bone. To complete the dish, prepare a gremolata by mixing chopped parsley, grated lemon zest, and a little minced garlic. Sprinkle the gremolata over the veal shanks just before serving. Traditionally, Ossobuco alla Milanese is served with saffron risotto, which, with its delicate flavor and bright color, pairs perfectly with the richness of the dish. There you have it. Now you have all the steps to prepare an authentic Ossobuco alla Milanese. Enjoy.